Everybody, so today I'm going to do a quick bougie on a budget hack that I love to do, where I can help you save almost $2,000. Okay. Now if you're like me and you like luxe items, brand names, things like that, but you don't want to spend thousands of dollars on a handbag or something like that, this little hack is for you. So as you can see, I have a YSL pouch here. This is a pouch that also can become a wristlet. This comes with a set. Now these little pouches retail for about $8.25. This little pouch is cute. Or if you're like me and you love a crossbody bag, you can now turn this little pouch into a crossbody. For informational purposes, the pouch and the YSL crossbody version of this bag are like the same size. I believe the inside is a little bit bigger, but as far as like width, length, it's gonna be the same size. The inside has like one little pocket in here. So I'm gonna show you now how I hack this and turn this into my $2,600 crossbody. This little insert here, how cute is this? Comes from Amazon. And as you can see, this has more pockets in it. So already the value added to your pouch is gonna be amazing, right? You have zippers, little pockets. So even if you wanted to just have an insert in your pouch just because, now you're set. You have a little insert for your pouch. But don't know if anyone noticed, this insert has little hoops on the sides for you to put a strap. So as you can see, the hook is super easy. Hook the chain up to the pouch into the purse. You're just gonna button your bag and voila. Whether you want it to be a shoulder bag or crossbody. And this chain isn't like this isn't the longest size. They come in longer sizes, but this is a pretty good placement of where a crossbody should land on you. Like I said, I'm about 5'9", thick. Call it thick, plus size, whatever it is. I got some meat to my bones. So instantly you have a crossbody bag. So if you have pouches that aren't name brand, now you're able to turn it into a crossbody or shoulder bag. Yeah, that's just my little hack of how to turn a purse into a crossbody without damaging the original item. Some people, they'll take it a step further, drill holes and put the chains directly in. That's all cool too if that's the style, and I'll link those particular items as well. But if you just want to be able to use your clutch as a clutch in a purse on any given day, then you're good to go. I think that's a pretty good hack of how to save a couple $1,000 on a bag. Envelope style is the easiest because you just simply put it in and it goes over it. Some people use it on makeup cases. Like this one was designed for you to be able to just put the chain handle, the chain strap right on the pouch. Others aren't designed that way. So yeah, if it's not envelope, that's what's gonna happen. It's just gonna fall out. That's pretty much it for my hack video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something new. Feel free to share my video, share my storefronts. That's it for me for today. Hope you enjoyed.